Hi, this is a demonstration of IoT garbage monitoring system project. So this is an advanced system that can be used by municipal bodies or the city cleanliness bodies who are or the government authorities who are responsible for keeping the city clean and emptying the garbage cans. So this system has 4 sensors here. The sensors are used to detect the garbage in these 4 bins. Each garbage bin does not need to be of the same size here. So each garbage bin can be of different size. So whenever the system starts, it automatically checks the depth of an empty garbage bin, and after that when garbage starts filling in that particular bin, it matches the current height of the garbage to the total depth, and based on that it estimates how much garbage has been filled in that particular bin, and it sends this data remotely to a web system. The web system or the IoT system has a web page which displays the status of each garbage bin. This includes how much garbage is filled in that particular bin. As you can see here on this screen here, this is the screen of the web page as it will be available for the users to see or the authorities to see which garbage bin has been filled to what amount. So for this purpose we are using ultrasonic sensors here, which are attached to these 4 bins, and they are now connected to an AVR family microcontroller, which is in turn interfaced to an LCD display for displaying the status of the bins here. And also this is a Wi-Fi modem here, which is used to transmit data to the web-based application. And also we have a buzzer here, and the entire system is powered by a 12-volt transformer. So now let's see how the system works. So now we have turned on the system. So for the first monitoring, the system has to check the total depth of an empty bin. So we will not add any garbage now, and let's let it record the original depth of an empty bin. So as you can see, it's measuring and storing the values. So this is the bin 3 value and this is the bin 4 value. It's recording now. So all 4 values have been set, and currently it's showing that the garbage level is 0 here. So we have indicated on a 1 to 10 scale. So depending on the status of the garbage filled in that particular bin, it rises from 0 to 10. So let's test the system. Let's add some garbage in one of the bins. So as I have filled garbage in bin number 1, it's showing garbage there in the web application in bin number 1. As you can see, the garbage can is seen half filled. So now let's similarly insert some garbage in another bin. So now we'll wait for it to monitor. So this system basically operates in cycles. So now we'll wait for the next cycle or the next scanning. So now as you can see, even the bin number 4 has been half filled, so it has detected that, and now even in the web application, as you can see, it's showing the status as half filled. Similarly, let's add some more garbage to that particular bin. So, and let's make sure it does not touch the sensor there. So as you can see, when we insert more garbage, the status has become 7 on a 1 to 10 scale, and it has increased there. Even in the web application, You can see this change. So this will be enough to alert the authorities. So as you can see, if a particular bin has reached a maximum limit, it also displays a buzzer here. It sounds the buzzer and glows another LED, and even in the web application you can see that it's showing that that particular bin has been fully filled here. And similarly, let's do one thing. Let's test the system again. Let's insert some more garbage in one of the other bins just for testing. So this is how the project works. Thank you.